nwere ụmụ nwoke na-ata afọ ata maka na aba na-akọsụrụ nwunye gị ebe anya mmiri. Nwunye gị nwa ahụ ebe akwa bepụta anya mmiri. And their tears drop in the ground. Oh my God, everywhere we vibrate. There are some men who have so. Your spiritual husband they involve. Let me tell you, the more dangerous family you got not one but family na akonoba. Family na ego. That is the dangerous family. Don't tamper with them spiritually. They can tarnish you. They can waste you spiritually. As a man, before you go and pay a lady's diary, you need to go to your Iwa. Go there and speak to your spiritual wife and your spiritual children too. Your spiritual children too. Sometimes a lady may be finding it difficult to conceive. Maganona body me, Bobu no de anime, or not na law, more one and law, or more one and law, or more one and law, ime na poor reason. Spiritual children get involved in that one, not your spiritual wife, not your spiritual husband. This one is your spiritual children. Ajana children really really. And when I take a big wife, no milky cake of Talaja. And when I jog a big wife, no the milky cake of Talaja. And when I jog a big wife, it's no do to give the van on over, never get what Tal. And when I jog a big wabu, million no, we have a familiar or lasses, no last get what Talaja. Oh, me I joy a big tour, is no, as the one in milky cake of Talaja. This is how. Was he word? I don't Chosha Jamila Chosha. Very lean. Obulo na ehuro ngom mmili. Tell me how your marriage is going to stand. Die by fire. Every spiritual wife, or you break, or you lose. Leave this body. Leave this body. Who are you? Who are you into this body? I was thinking, oh, Libra, this is my wife. You are joking. You are joking. There's no man born of a woman that can ever deliver you from your spiritual wife or your spiritual husband. It's never possible in this life. Do the person who not only make deliverance, more deliver go away. Oh, one care. Nkenya will deliver gear. There's no living being on this very planet that can ever deliver you from your spiritual husband. If anybody claims that he has power to deliver you from your spiritual husband or your spiritual wife, I have something to tell you. Tell the person to do it first. If the person can be able to do it, then know that the person can deliver you from your spiritual husband. Tell the person to deliver, to make you to stop seeing your reflect in the mirror. One. And tell the person to make you to stop seeing your shadow. If the person can ever deliver you from seeing your shadow, deliver you from seeing your reflect in the mirror, then it's possible for the person to deliver you from having spiritual wife or spiritual husband. Now it baffles me that some native doctor or some other one can tell you that they want to separate you from your spiritual wife or your spiritual husband. So many native doctors have a problem that they cannot solve in this life because they try to separate a spiritual wife and spiritual husband. Look at you. How dare you? Who are you? Where do you come from? How do you exist? You want to deliver somebody's spiritual wife. You want to separate somebody's spiritual wife. You want to separate them. How possible? Spirit. You, mere mortal, separating spirits. How possible is it? So many native doctors will long week and Makabajalika with million and winning million. Okua gave all Gakoge. Yamalo no go on to you. Your spiritual husband is the man that loves you genuinely. Nothing you do in this life that will separate you and him. He can only be angry, but he can never touch you. He can destroy things around you, but he can never touch you. That's why when your spiritual husband is angry, your husband will begin to see the reflect. Oh, you're up and going. Digi go yesobe. Digi. Anything that makes you happy, you destroy Yanya. Anything that makes you happy, or destroy Yanya. So in the water, There are some spiritual husbands that is very stubborn. They can be very, very stubborn. No, there's no amount of begging that you beg them that they will accept. In that water, there are some of them that is very calm, like me. You haven't met me in life. I'm very calm. I don't have any problem. You can do whatever thing. I don't care. When they come with me, they don't want anything problem. They don't like it. Okay, now this man go make you happy, or you go. I don't have problem. On what no disturbance? There are some spiritual husband that is highly jealous. They are very, very jealous with woke up and getting bago. There are some men who have so your spiritual husband they involve. Oh well, indeed is so protective. About jealousness, but protective. A man can never hurt you and go scot-free. That is them for you. And it happens to some men too. Some men, their wife are very, very protective too. Oh, my room, walking at that, I'm going to cost room when you have a milli. We are getting one hour back what people are milli. Oh, my limb depot. Oh, my walking and one milli by that son and my body back regularly. No, they don't cry regularly. Oh, no, normal, they don't cry. But whenever they shed tears and their tears drop in the ground, oh my God, everywhere we vibrate. If you are among those that your wife don't normally cry, or do about what the very calm, Magana Odian a wicked spiritual husband, very wicked though, very, very wicked. They can kill you. You know one you na abo for chi your banket. On make on offer ya. He make one no what if game. He make one the woman no what if game. Don't treat the woman, don't treat your wife or Basia. Even give mama, ni what mad. Let me tell you, the more dangerous family you got not a wife, but family na where akonoba. Family na where go. That is the dangerous family. Don't tamper with them spiritually. They can tarnish you. They can waste you spiritually. Magana Maro would India send it to that family. Ndobiam. Family never go. And I prepare when I send them mother. Imagine send Bogonja. One of them send the number 1 in 1. Bamota one you will be another. Spiritual husband will be very, very. Maganoka near the golden away where they go now. None I like so many things. No one. Oh, you are very not another. You will be not another. We're talking immaturity here. Hey, you know what a problem. Most especially, Abolo Diana Rebecca Baba. I will cry babies. And gather my mantle. Manon will end in Adre Baba. Vane di Robona. Father very calm. Fana chudo. Bobna bacho dudo. Mbobunu do kabachol. Ibobunu do geji wede. My husband, please, I am sorry. Baby, oh yeah, forgive me now. Now that's nothing go make you angry. Oh yeah, please forgive me now. Mbobunu ona yogi. Mbobunu ona yogi. Ina emezi na ona yogi. Wecho ki imegidia. Mbosi ige ni anya milie we drop one. O we ba akwa. Choba gwe yi geji we chala anya milie ka o da tasana na. Magana anya milie tasana na o drop na. Gem business again. Ntufu. Di milie bada na business again spiritually o church chop again. Spiritually in ona no chop again muloko. Spiritually in ona lo mada bata buko yi na chede go ri ozuo gi na chede again. Those are the wicked ones. Man, not about the wicked per se, not about the protective to their women, to their wife.